So what the heck even is a warrant? Hi, I'm Ty Smith, Oklahoma City area attorney with Worth Law, and this may seem like a relatively straightforward question, and many people who watch crime dramas like Law and Order, CSI, are probably pretty familiar with what a warrant is. Some of you in the audience may be unfortunate enough to have a warrant served upon you. Sorry to hear that, that sucks. But there's a general ignorance on what a warrant exactly is. Shrunk down to all of my law school experience and my legal profession experience, a warrant is just a judge's authorization for a law enforcement official to search for something or someone. Depending on the type of warrant we have, a judge is going to authorize law enforcement to look for a person who's accused of a crime or search a location for evidence of a crime. Those are the two factors. And we're going to talk a bit later in another video about the different types of warrants. But just for today, we're going to talk about what they are. And that's the high and low of it. I've already kind of explained it. All it is really is just a green light. It's a simple piece of paper, but it has huge implications and can have huge implications on your life, which is why I want to also talk to you about how you can maybe look up yourself whether you have a warrant. A lot of people show up to court and show up to official proceedings not knowing that there's a warrant out for their arrest, or they get pulled over by a cop. Hey, do you know you have a warrant out for your arrest? And then they're taken in and they have to, pay money to get out, which that sucks. But you can look up whether you have a warrant out for your arrest, by going to the OSBI website. You can search on OSCN. You can search, even your local sheriff's office normally has a database upon which you can look for those things. You can look on the Department of Corrections website. And there are also several third-party organizations that do that, but normally the other resources I've listed there are going to be good enough for you. If this sounds like you, if you've got a warrant out for you, do all this, you search yourself up, you find you have a warrant out for your arrest, okay, and you are worried you might need to talk to someone about this warrant, look no further. I would be glad to speak to you about this. I am at theoklahomacityattorney.com. You could also call me at 405-888-5400. As I said, we'd be glad to talk to you about this, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time.